Okay, welcome back to EagleWare Legion website platform from eagleware.org, and we're in part 2 of an advanced text editor video showing how to put tables in to insert something like a menu. So let's go back to where we left off at. Well, that wasn't it. And now I've got all my tables created with all my stuff in there. And we're going to make a few changes because there's a few things I don't like. This automatically generated borderline that we put in here, you can't change the color of it. So I'm going to get rid of that. There. Now, if you put in 3 underlines in a row, if your auto border turner on or thing is turned on, it automatically does that. But then you can override it by stop automatically or undo the borderline. I don't want to do it on the rest of them, so I'm just going to turn it off for now. Now we can underline as long as we want. So we're just going to make, I don't know, a line about so long and center it. That'll just give us a separator in there. Now we're going to highlight it, the whole thing, and make it bold. And we want to change the color of it. Let's see what a green looks like. I think that looks a little better. And we'll get that out of there. Now that we got this, let's copy it. And we put one here. One here. One there. And let's see, missed one here, didn't I? There. Now, we're not going to want these lines showing up in our table and border and stuff. So we need to go into table properties and borders and shading and select none. And then OK, and then OK. And now it's showing up faintly here. That's so we can edit with it, see where they're at, but it won't display if we go into our print to look at it, print preview. It doesn't display. And if I'd done that first, then I wouldn't have to go turn all the rest of these off. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I guess I ought to shrink that so you can see the full width and stuff. Anyway, that's kind of what we got right now. So let's select Control A all, Control C, or I'll just do it this way so I can see it. Copy. Let's see. Wasn't in that one. Yeah, that's where it was. There we go. We're back in our custom tab page editor with our table before we started working on it. So let's just grab everything here and get rid of it because we don't want it no more. We're going to paste from Word. Remember, always paste from the Word when you're pasting from Word so you don't mess stuff up. And again, I always do strip font family. Don't know why, but it works. I don't know if it does any good or not. But anyway, kind of what we got now, at least what it looks like here in the editor. These are offset for some reason. Let's save it and see what it looks like on the page. I think I know why it's probably offset. Let's go to that page. And those are, oh, I know why it is. Okay, I'll show you how to fix that in a minute. But now that we're in a table, everything on our right column is all lined up. Everything looks a little bit cleaner. We got a little color in here with our green lines and stuff. Anyway, we want to center these. So let's go back into our editor. And we're back into our editor, and while we got it pulled up, let's go back into our Word document. And the reason why those aren't centered on the page is because we got two columns here and it's only centering this one column. So what we need to do is we need to highlight that entire line, both of them there, and do a merge on them. And then recenter. And now it will be centered. I'm going to do that to the rest of them. Be right back. Okay, got them all done. So we're going to do the same thing we did a while ago. Control Alt, select all, copy, go back into here, and we're just going to select everything, get rid of it again, paste from Word, paste, strip, save. Now they're lined up correctly, so we'll go ahead and save that page. Go to the page that we got it in, and now everything's lined up the way that we formatted it. And if we need to make changes to the menu, we just go back into our saved Word program and make the changes and then paste it back into here. That'd be the easiest, fastest way to do it. Let's go back to the Word editor for one last deal. Now this Word editor actually has the capability to work on tables and stuff. You got the table button here and you got commands to do table stuff. Now while you can do it in here, you're dealing with this much smaller area, and it's simpler to do it in another program like Microsoft Word, do your tables and then just paste it in here. If you know HTML and have any programming editors such as Web Expressions or Front Page or Visual Basic Express, different program, they're made to work with tables a little bit better than a word processor. But no matter how you do it in another program if you have the program and paste it into here. But you can do it in here if you need to. And that will conclude this program, and we will talk to you later in our next video.